Live streaming sales have given a boost to the jewelry trade in Ruili, a border city in China's Yunnan famous for its jade industry. Bordering Myanmar, the world's major jade producer, Ruili thrived as one of China's largest jade trading hubs in the 1990s and has since been widely called the City of Jade. As night fell, a jewelry live streaming center was ablaze with lights and filled with the hubbub of peddling and negotiations.
我老家是广东的，现在的话在瑞丽已经买房定居在这一边了。因为呢，我个人的话就比较喜欢那种翡翠啊之类的东西。我是从助理开始学，慢慢一步一步的达到了一个主播的一个级别。其实也是很苦的，拿一个没有流量的号、没有粉丝的号给我播，我就对着空气播了4个小时。第一场试播，我感觉这是人生最难的时候，我感觉真的是很累。这样子的日子呢，我反复了差不多1个星期。然后的话，老板看到我的努力的付出嘛，觉得我的口才的话什么都还可以，然后就找了一个有流量的号给我播。慢慢的就会有好转，一步一步的一个号换一个号，换更好的号。现在的话是50多万粉丝，比之前好很多了。真的，现在的话也在慢慢的回笼。
She is among the tens of thousands of people who are cashing in on the live streaming boom in Ruili as the new model of online shopping flourishes in the city. A market regulator at this center told Xinhua that more than 20,000 businesses are based in this center alone, with a significant rise in transaction volume as compared with last year.